I want to show you today how I use symbolism in hooked rugs. So in this rug right here called Protecting the Young, which I think is a beautiful rug, even if you just look at it as boxes and houses and layers of landscape, it's still lovely. But for me, it has a lot of meaning. I look at this and I look at these two foxes as a marriage and how two people face off sometimes in a marriage, and it, you know, that you have to work things out and you have to communicate. But your main goal once you start having a family is to protect the young. And these 7 little foxes here are me and my 6 sisters, because I was one of 7 sisters. And the foxes gradually turn into roses, which I think of as my mother, because she used she always used that symbol in her own hooked mats. And then if you look up at the top, you have the community. And there it is. It's all the houses. And to me, that's the people in the community are really part of helping you raise your family. I think of my kids working at the Y, and I think of my sisters taking them out for lunch, or I think of my friends taking them to hockey sometimes, and how as a community we support each other. And I love these womb-like sort of rocks or eggs, maybe even. There's a lot of symbolism in this rug. It isn't just about foxes and hen houses, but you know, that would be enough. It's still lovely just as that. But sometimes if you want to show an idea, you can just choose symbols and create them, create the symbols for to show like the idea of family and community, or a million other things. So a lot of times I have to be really honest here that the symbolism sort of emerges as I'm hooking the rug, you know. I don't really set out to do it. It just kind of happens. But you can set out to do it. And using symbolism is a great tool for designing hooked rugs. See ya.